Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi 12 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll in order to find additional settings. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And as you can see here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. And fortunately in this device it is so easy because all you have to do is to find the language and tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one, just tap on it, and as you can see it will be immediately applied, so the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Just find English in my case and tap on it, and it will be immediately applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.